Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Past Question 5. So you have a diagram with a farm equipment on it, and we are using it to answer question 5 and 6. So this is question 5. The illustrated equipment is called A. Arrow, B. Harpoon, C. Wooden peg, D. Ranging pole. Now you have this equipment, okay, a rod-like equipment with a pointed end, one pointed end and the other end rounded, okay, and then it is painted black and white. So based on this description, the farm equipment, or farm specifically, it is a farm surveying equipment, and this, based on the description I have given, the color painted black and white, pointed or at one edge and rounded at the other edge, it is a ranging pole. It's a farm surveying equipment called a ranging pole. Now it is usually made of wood or metal, could be made of wood or metal, and in terms of length, it ranges from either 1.8 meters, 2.4 meters, or 3.0 meters. So these are the three variations in terms of length that you can have. Now basically it is used to mark stations, okay, during farm surveying processes. So as we have rightly established, it is a ranging pole. So option D, ranging pole, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.